Assalamu alaikum everyone. I have Toshiba laptop in a very good condition, and it's Core i5, 6 GB RAM and 320 GB hard disk. Okay, let me show you property and configuration. I have a huge quantity in laptop, used laptop. If you want Dell, if you want HP and Acer, I have available in huge quantity. But for this one, I will show you the property so you can see the configuration. Okay, it's a Core i5, second generation, 6 GB RAM. Window activated already, and you can install Windows 10. For now, Windows 8 is currently installed. Okay, it's having DVD-ROM and 320 GB hard drive. It's in excellent condition, as you can see, and it's having camera, it's having DVD drive, and it's having HDMI port also. It's in very good condition, slim laptop, and it's not too weighty. Okay, this is the DVD-ROM. Okay, it's a burner also. You can write a DVD disc with this one. If you want, you can use it as a burner. Okay, so that's it guys. Body condition very good, clean as new. As you can see, no scratches. Toshiba, second generation, and it's 14-inch screen, and coming with original charger and 6 GB RAM, 320 GB hard drive. If you want, you can expand the memory. Okay, and I have HP and Dell, and I have huge quantity. I have Dell E510. Okay, and I have Dell this one, Latitude 3150, sorry, and it's a very good laptop for kids or for schooling or for e-learning. Okay, I have HP, this one also Core i5, and it's third generation, good for e-learning, and it's very clean. Okay, Core i5, 320 GB hard drive, and third generation, coming with original charger. And I have more quantity. If you want, I have Dell, Toshiba, Acer, and I have touchscreen also and Dell. So if you want, you can contact me, and that's what I have for now. For more videos, for good price and for good items, please subscribe my channel and share this video if you can. And thank you so much for your love and support. God bless. Thank you all.